Bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we dive in, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is some rum punch from a baby shower that I went to on Sunday, which was literally a week ago. Wow, look at that. Anyway, so I still have some left over and I'm drinking it from my red Solo cup with my son's Deadpool straw, but I love Deadpool so much, so I kind of took it over. But yeah, I thought it went together. And then I have some red in my little dress thing right here, and you can see my little Nefertiti, and you know, I feel really cute with my curly hair and ting. You know, I haven't done a style like this in a while, so I hope you guys like it. Anyways, go grab your drink and come back and let us discuss. For today's video, we're going to be talking about why I wear what I wear and why I don't care what anyone says about what I wear. If you guys follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, you probably should, because I'm hella lit. I post these memes sometimes, and I sometimes ask poll questions about those memes, which I've said in prior videos. This meme in particular, though, I did not do a poll on because I don't know why. I should have, but I didn't. Now that I think about it, I should have, but I feel like I really didn't care about the people who opposed to what I was saying. I don't know. I should have done a poll though. That would have been a good poll. Anyways, I might do it later and then post the results after. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. But this is what the thing said. Fellas, are you okay with your woman leaving the house like this? Something like that. I'll post a picture so you can see it. And to which I responded, men need to realize, okay, that women have ventured off into different industries, different fields, different aspects, different parts of the world, and are doing different things business-wise. No longer are we just nurses or housewives or housekeepers or maids or babysitters or whatever. And while those are all amazing jobs, a lot of us females don't do those things. Okay, what we do are YouTube videos, we sell sex toys, we host parties, we throw parties, we do all these different things to which you have a certain brand and a certain look and a certain image that you carry off, and you dress a certain way to appeal the customer or the clientele that you're trying to attract. Okay, another thing is, I feel like it's 2018 and I want to dress how I feel like I should dress. And while I know that even though it is 2018 and men still have this narcissistic God complex where they feel like, oh, if she's wearing a certain thing, she's trying to give it up, or she's asking for it, even though it is 2018. Even though I know that most men still have that mindset, I'm still going to wear whatever I want to wear, because I am my own person, and anybody touch me, the mugga gets it. Understood? What I'm trying to say is, you cannot tell a female how to dress. You can state your opinion. Sure, opinions are like assholes. Everyone has them. Most of them are full of shit. Okay? Do not say to me, that skirt is too short, put something else on because you're a wife. Don't say to me, don't show your shoulders because, you know, it attracts other men. Here's the thing, no matter what a woman wears, she's going to attract certain men. It doesn't matter. Rapists are rapists are rapists are rapists. Perverts are perverts are perverts are perverts. Grown-ass men find little girls attractive. Grown-ass men have raped nuns. Grown-ass men see Amish women and think they are the most attractive thing in the world. Do you not recall a time where women, if you showed your ankle, it was the end of the world? Do we not remember those times? Are we supposed to revert to those? Because shit is still gonna happen. So do not tell a woman how to dress. Do not tell a woman what to wear. Do not tell a woman she should do this because men will whatever. Men are going to do whatever men want to do regardless. So if I want to wear this and I'm comfortable wearing this and I look good as fuck wearing this, leave me the hell alone and let me wear this. And women need to stop talking down to other women. Women need to stop talking shit about other women. Like little petty gossip here and there, that's one thing, but to be like, oh, she's a whore, she's a slut, she's a skank, look at what she's wearing, look at what she's doing, look at this, look at that. Shut the fuck up. Stop telling another person, another human being, what they should do with their body. Focus on you and on your life and what you're doing so wrong or so right. Okay? Women are so multifaceted. I don't even know if I'm using the word right or even saying the word right. That we can one day be cocking it up and doing whatever the fuck we want to do in the club, and then the next day walk into a board meeting and crush that shit. Stop telling women what to do. We know what to do. We know. And this, I love my friends so much, but I am so tired, so fucking tired of these, oh, what can I do to make my man happier? What can I do to please my man? How do I do this to make him happy? Sis, you already know what to do to make him happy. If he's still not happy, then fuck him. You can't please everybody. Okay? If he's not happy with you and all that you have and all that you're giving, move the fuck on, because there's another guy out there who will eat cupcakes and drink champagne out your ass. Okay? Stop trying to run down man. I know that we outnumber them like 2 or 3 to 1. Fuck them. Like literally, you do not need him. You don't. Anything he can do, you can do 2 times better while bleeding and carrying a child on your hip. You don't need him. Stop letting him control you and tell you how to live and what to do and what to wear and who to talk to and how to say certain things. 2018. And if you're still out here living under the thumb of your man, you need to wake the fuck up. Nobody should tell you how to dress, when to wear it, how to wear it, and what. If you feel good in it, if you trust yourself, if you know whatever the fuck you know about yourself, then live your fucking life and do whatever you want to do. Okay? Sis? Hair all in my eye. Fucking bangs. Jesus. Can we talk about the Ambrose SlutWalk for a minute? Ambrose SlutWalk is what, 3 years old, I think? And I made a post and I was like, yo, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. I'm going Ambrose SlutWalk 2019 in California. I am going. If y'all want to come, let's go. We'll road trip all the way to Cali. Fuck that shit. No, we're flying. I saw a post that I think it was Foxy Brown or somebody was like, yo, the SlutWalk don't make no sense. It's trash. And in the comments were like, oh, yo, yeah, why would somebody want to call herself a slut? Why would this? Why would that? You're missing the whole fucking point, my nigga. You're still missing the point. It's about reclaiming your sexuality. It's about not being looked down upon because you enjoy sex. Do you know how many times I've been called a whore and a slut? And at this point, I'm like, you know what? Yeah. Yeah. We're more fun anyways. Just because a female enjoys sex, just because a female enjoys other females, just because a female enjoys wearing certain things does not make it okay for you to touch or grope or feel like, oh, she's asking for it and that's why I did it. Oh, she got drunk. Oh, she did this. Why is it not okay for me to go out by myself? Because of niggas. Not women, not what I wear, but because of you men. Why is it not okay for me to be outside late at night by myself or even with another female? Why? Why is it that this is even the reason why I stopped running at the park, because I like to have my headphones in, but then I'm thinking, like, if I'm running with my headphones in, I can't hear what's going on around me. I'm in my own zone. This isn't my fault. This is y'all fault. I can't even wear tights when I'm running because I'm like, okay, that's attracting the wrong type of eyes. Whose fault is that? Mine? Because God blessed me with all these curves? I'm supposed to suffer because niggas don't know how to keep it in their pants? Because their mother did not raise them right? Stop telling females what to do with their lives and you control your fucking dick. How about that? How about you show females the same respect that we show you? There was a video going around of this girl grabbing men's penises and all the guys were like, oh, if I did that, I would go to jail. Yes, nigga, you would go to jail. And she should get locked up too. That shit is not okay. Keep your hands to your fucking self. I literally tell my kids this every day. Keep your hands to yourself. Give people their personal space. You as grown-ups, why do we have to tell you this as grown-ups in 2018? Keep your fucking hands to yourself. Let me wear what I want to wear. Let me go where I want to go. You know what's crazy? I cannot buy a drink at a bar, leave my drink at the bar and go use the restroom and come back without worrying that somebody put something in there. I have to be like, oh, yo, watch my cup. Why? Why? Because men don't know how to control themselves. Men don't know how to take no for an answer. Men don't know how to just be by themselves. If a female walks up to you, and I posted, here's another meme that I posted. This lady said her nephew comes up to her and he's like, oh, auntie, I asked this girl out and she turned me down. And then the auntie says, you know what you do now? And he says, yes, I keep going. The auntie says, no, you stop. You leave her alone. She gave you her answer. Leave her alone. If you approach a female and a female doesn't want you, that is not your place to be like, oh, you ugly anyways, you bitch, you skank asshole. No, that is not your place to do that. Do not do that. Okay? Leave women alone. Leave us alone. If I want to wear shorts that say juicy on the back, is that still a thing? Let me do that. Okay, if I want to wear a t-shirt that says free the nipple, or, you know, my tits are nice, or I have amazing boobs, or whatever the case is, it's not an invitation for you to grab them and see if they're nice. I don't walk up to you and feel if your dick is big or small. Don't do that shit. Unless I invite you over and you consent to it, then that's a whole different story. If you approach me and I'm consenting to what's happening between us, that's a whole different story. But you're not going to tell me how to dress because it will attract certain attention. No matter what we wear, it's going to attract attention. So just leave us the fuck alone. It's that simple. I have so much more to say, but I feel like this video is going to go on forever. So, if you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, which I know I did, leave it in the comment section below. Please, ladies, fellas, everybody, comment down below what you feel about what I'm talking about right now. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Comment down below and let us talk. Okay, if you have something to ask me that you're too embarrassed to ask in the comments, send me an email. It's in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.